Hi guys, today we are going to make a homemade healthy diet tofu. Come, let's begin. Subscribe and click the bell icon connected to the world. Take a cup or 100 grams of overnight soaked soya bean and wash 2 to 3 times and add it to the mixer. For 1 cup of soya bean, add 1 liter of water. Now grind this well. Take the filtering cloth like this and add the grinded soya bean paste. Now carefully hold the cloth together like this and filter the soya milk. It's little bit a difficult process, but you get a homemade soft tofu. Finally, we did it, the soya milk. Take the cooking pan and add the soya milk by straining it. Now turn on the timer for 15 minutes and boil the milk until it gets thick.
Hey Siri、タイマーを15分セットします。
15分のカウントダウンを開始します。
After a few minutes, remove those foams forming in the milk like this. After 8 minutes, the milk getting thicker and thicker. After 13 minutes, we are going to add 1 lemon juice with 40 milliliter of water mixed together. Let's add this. As soon as you add the lemon, the milk gets churning. Come, let's filter this into a tofu. Place the filter over the pan like this. Spread the filtering cloth. Filter this way and fold the extra cloth over around. Now place some weight over the cloth like this. Let the tofu rest for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, let's unwrap the cloth and see how the tofu is. Fresh, soft and rich in protein, no preservatives, homemade healthy diet tofu, around 200 grams of tofu. Until next time, danke, choose.